We create our text and open a new layer under the text layer. We hold the control button and click on the thumbnail of our text. We select the new layer we created and press the Alt and Backspace buttons while the foreground color is black. Press the control button and D. Then we go to the filter section and enter the blur gallery option and the path blur option. We turn off the centered blur option and move the speed and taper options to achieve the desired result. We reduce the opacity a little to make the shadow really visible. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos and tutorials.